feedback systems are systems which the output, the sample of output is given to the input, and that is again going to drive your amplifier. So without feedback, this path will not be there. So it will just like a normal amplifier. With feedback, you have so many benefits. This is maybe negative feedback or positive feedback. With positive feedback, you can have A is equal to A by 1 minus AF. So it will provide infinite gain. So I'm going to use it for oscillators. So positive feedback is used in oscillators. So that value of thing we have seen, even if the small change in output will increase the input, will increase the output enormously in positive feedback. So the positive feedback is also called as regenerative because it keeps on increasing the output of the signal. At one point, the output grows exponentially to larger sum that the system will go to instability. So then we came up with the uh, feed forward amplifier. You can the whatever you studied before, the same thing. Amplifier output divide by 1 by A, compare with input depending on error, again amplify that and then subtract. What we have studied this just now in the power amplifier side, same thing. So take the output, so divide by 1 by A and compare with input. If any changes are there, that will be amplified. It will work like a normal feedback.